Hello friends, welcome in my channel SB Unstoppable. Today 10 September current affairs. Which state CM inaugurated the Veer Savarkar flyover? This is the CM of Karnataka is B.S. Yediyurappa, and this flyover is made in Bengaluru. The length of the flyover is 400 meters. This flyover is made on the road Sandeep Unikrishna Road. Amount spended 34 crore. Now, interesting one, the governor of this state is Bhajubhai Bhala. Next question. Which state government is collaborated with World Bank signed 82 million loans for the state road transformation project? This is something about World Bank. World Bank is established 1944. Davis Malpass is president and headquarters Washington DC. Educational WhatsApp chatbot Aapka Mitra has been launched in Haryana, and this is launched by Manohar Lal Khattar, CM of Haryana. This is an online admission platform, and about online queries by this app, online queries, and one number is given 7419 449. Governor of Haryana is Satyadev Narayan Arya. Next question. Who is the father of the Indian radio astronomy recently passed away? This is Gobind Sarup. Gobind Sarup recently passed away. He got Padma Shri in 1973, and he is the president of Astronomical Society of India, and he got Shanti Sarup Bhatnagar 1972. Indira Gandhi Peace Prize awarded to Sir David Attenborough. He was to make aware to preserve and protect the biodiversity of planet. This award started at 1986 and amount to be given 25 lakhs. The 35th FAO Regional Conference for Asia and the Pacific was held under the chairmanship of Bhutan. Something about Bhutan. The first regional conference is held in Bangalore 1953, and Bhutan's capital is Thimphu, and Bhutan PM is Lotai Tshering. Official language is Dejongkha. Auto Innovation Mission was partnered with which media platform to spread awareness of grassroots innovation? This is Spoonie. This is largest educational media platform by media news. Next question. International Day to Protect Education from Attack is observed on. This is and this day is celebrated by or started by UNESCO and UNICEF. Some UNICEF for the child who were affected by COVID-19. This is for Qatar and related 62 countries. Something about UNESCO and UNICEF. UNESCO headquarters of UNESCO is in Paris and headquarters of UNICEF in New York. Headquarters of UNESCO Paris. It's okay. Next, then established of UNESCO is 6 November 1945. Established of UNICEF is 11 December 1946. And head of UNESCO, Alorio Agiulo, and UNICEF, Henry H. Ford. Apple's first floating store to be launched in. This is which bank launched signature Visa debit card on his 115th foundation day? This is Bank of India. By this card, the cardholder can spend 5 lakhs rupees. And this card, in this section, the cardholder must be maintained 10 lakh balance and above in quarterly. Something about Bank of India or BOI. Headquartered in Mumbai, MD and CEOs Atulya Kumar Das. Tagline: Relationship beyond banking. Foundation 1906, 7 September.